Hello, it's Deborah in the attic, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the May collection from Your Creative Studio. This is a subscription box. You will be able to check on their website availability, and I will provide all of the links below this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you find that you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. We're going to quickly look at the contents, and then I'm going to show you 5 layouts that you can use just using the contents of this kit. So keep watching to see the results at the end of the video. So there we have it. Those are my 5 layouts using your Creative Studio's subscription box from May 2022, just using the contents of the kit and some glue. So I hope that's given you some inspiration for how you can use the contents of your kit to make these rather nice art collage journal pages. All of the details about the subscription kit are in the link below, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post fairly frequently, the links to that are also below this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps with all the clever analytics and all that sort of stuff that I don't understand, and it also lets me know that I've got your support, which is lovely. Now I'm going to say thank you very much for your time, as always. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, stay safe and take care.